Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we are going to do the tag that Emily Noel came up with about the Sephora $1,000 cart. And we're just going to go through and see what's on my wish list, what I would buy if somebody gave me $1,000. Just told me to go to Sephora and spend it. So if you are excited to hear what I would buy, then just keep watching. I'm pretty excited. Somebody gave me $1,000. So we're gonna go through and see what I'm gonna buy with my $1,000. All right. The first thing that I would buy is the Tom Ford Neroli Portofino Aqua Travel Spray. It's a little travel size perfume, and I want to try Tom Ford's perfume. I got another one on my list too that we'll talk about here in a minute, but it's supposed to have fresh citrus and fruits and citrus amber in it. And it just sounds just glorious. So I would love, love, love to try this. The next thing that's on my list is the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. I've talked about on my channel before when I used my Love palette that I was trying to keep from buying the Bronze palette. I'm really tempted to buy it. I'm trying to wait until the next Sephora sale, but I'm very, very tempted to buy it. So we'll see when I buy it, but right now I'm going to buy it with my $1,000. The next thing is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. I've heard so many people talk about it. It's $22 for 0.7 ounces, but supposedly it's really, really good, and I would love to have something to put on that would stay on and just moisturize my lips while I sleep. Like, that would just be awesome. Right now I just kind of have some chapsticks or whatever I'll put on before I go to sleep, but I really would like to try this. It's supposed to give you smoother, more supple lips overnight. Solutions for dryness and fine lines. So yeah, I would definitely put that on my list if I had $1,000. The next thing is a Tom Ford Velvet Orchard Travel Spray. So they're $49 is what these travel sprays cost, and it's supposed to have floral scents, and the key notes are orange blossom, hyacinth, jonquil, orchid, suede accord, vanilla tincture. I totally butchered that, but anyways, it sounds great. It sounds like it would smell wonderful. I love perfumes. I love just different kinds. It doesn't matter what floral or woodsy. I love perfumes, so I would love to try one of Tom Ford's perfumes, and I think this would be the perfect way for me to try it. And then if somebody else gave me $1,000, I'd buy a bigger size. But that would be on my Sephora list. The next thing would be the Supergoop Glow Screen Sunscreen in SPF 40, and it is $36. And it's supposed to be a hydrating makeup gripping primer with SPF 40 and blue light protection that has a pearlescent finish to leave skin luminous with an instant glow. It's supposed to help with dullness, dryness, and fine lines and wrinkles. I would love to try this. I know a lot of people talk about Supergoop. I've heard bad things about Supergoop. I've heard good things about Supergoop. So this is supposed to be glowy, and it sounds like it has some skincare stuff in there too. So I would love to try this, and this would definitely be on in my Sephora cart. Next thing is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette, and it is $67. I've never gotten any Huda Beauty palettes, so I would love to try this one. I love the lavenders and the light pastels and the glitter. I would love to try her formula, and this is definitely one I'd love to start with. So this would definitely be on my Sephora list. Next is the new Dominique Cosmetics Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer with that she did with JD Wadey 180, and it's $28. It's supposed to be a hydrating makeup primer that locks down moisture to prime and prep your complexion, creating a flawless canvas. So I would definitely like to try this, and I got the setting spray on here too, but that's on down the list. I don't know why Sephora it like breaks it up because I put them on here together, but anyways, I want to try this. This would definitely be in my cart. The next thing would be the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer, and it is $30, and it's a creamy creaseless serum concealer that evens and brightens the look of skin over time with vitamin C. And it sounds like it has a bunch of good skincare as well. I'd love to try this. I know Ilia is supposed to be a good brand. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this and the skin tint or whatever the other thing is. And I would love to try this. Next is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. And it's $28. And it's an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Pharmacy seems like it's a great brand. I have a mask from them that I got from a BoxyCharm, but I would want to try this out with the BHA and everything. It just sounds like it would be a great product. Sorry, my cat's running all around the room and getting her tail in the shot. So, but anyways, that would be in my cart. I would be buying that with my $1,000 gift card. Next is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Balm. It's $21, and it's an ultra comfortable lip balm infused with actives to give you a boost of hydration for silky smooth, fuller looking lips. This is a newer product, and it just seems like it would be, I've seen Jen Phelps, I think she got this, and it seemed like it would be just really smooth and moisturizing, and it just, I really want to try this. It would definitely be something that I would get if somebody gave me $1,000, so that would be in my cart. The next thing is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Matte Bronzer, and it's $55. And I would get the medium shade. So we all know about the bronzer. I'm pretty excited about it. I would love to get this with my $1,000. The next thing is the Kosas Revealer Concealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. This is $28, and it's a medium coverage concealer, eye cream, and spot treatment in one that reveals better looking skin upon application and over time. When this came out, I don't know what it was, I just kind of really wanted to try it. It just appealed to me, but the fact that it's got a spot treatment and eye cream, that just makes it even more appealing. So this would definitely be in my cart. Another thing is the Tower 28 Beauty Magic Hour and Chill Lip and Cheek Duo. This it's $22, and it has the full size of Beach Please Tinted Balm in Magic Hour and Mini Shine On Lip Jelly and Chill. So I really want to try some of Tower 28 brand, and I think this would be a really great way to try their brand, is to get this little bundle. Next is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna's Lip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick, and it's $22. And I would get the Glazed Peachy Pink shade, And it's a ultra comfortable sheer lipstick with the perfect amount of nourishing color and shine that is available in a range of easy to wear shades for all. This is something that really appeals to me. I would love to get and try it. I want to try. I've never tried any, and I don't know why I don't have one of those in here, but I've never tried any of her lip products. So I would love to try this. The next thing is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 7 eyeshadow palette, Divine Rose collection. It's $125. And we all know what the Divine Rose is. This is a little out of my price range, but definitely if somebody gave me $1,000, I would buy this. Definitely. And I would be playing with it every single day. Next is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 8 Artistry Eyeshadow Palette, Divine Rose 2 collection, $125. We all know this one too. That trichrome shade, I want to try that so bad. I want to see what it looks like on my eyes so bad. So bad. So this would definitely be something I would buy with $1,000. Next is the Natasha Denona Bronze Face Glow Palette for $55. I made this list a while back and I've been hearing kind of bad things, so I don't know if I would get this or not. It's kind of up in the air whether I would get it or not. I wanted to try it because at first, you know, I've heard a couple of bad reviews about it, but then since I made my cart, I've heard more bad reviews about it, so I'm not sure if it would be in my cart or not. Next is the Dominique Cosmetics Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist, and it's Dominique's Cosmetics in Jady Wady 180, and that's $32. It's a lightweight mist to prep face, set makeup, or refresh throughout the day. It's the drink of water your skin has been craving. So yeah, I definitely want to try this. It seems like it says that it's supposed to increase moisture levels in the skin by up to 6,000%. So I definitely want to try it to see if that's true. So that would definitely be in my cart. Next is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and it's $64. It's a palette featuring 3 shades of ambient lighting powders, the high-tech soft focus finishing powder that recreates the most exquisitely flattering types of light. I have their bronzer and a couple of their blushes, and I love their blushes. So I definitely want to try some of their finishing powders and see. So I definitely would be buying that with my $1,000. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder for $45. It's ultra fine setting powder that blurs imperfections and visibly reduces shine. I want to try this on my under eyes for real. Like, I've seen so many people use it and their under eyes just look flawless and airbrushed. So I definitely would get this with my $1,000. Next is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40 Foundation for $46. And it's a clean tinted mineral SPF 40 serum with light dewy coverage that provides skincare benefits. So this I want to try. That's kind of with the concealer as well. It seems like it would kind of be the same kind of skincare in your foundation. And Casey Holmes, she's been loving it. And I saw it on her and it just looked beautiful. So I'd love to try it for some of those lightweight days. Some of those days that you just want to throw something lightweight on. I would love to try this, and it would definitely be in my cart. So that's all. I got to $1,014. And I did it before tax, the $1,000. So I went a little bit over, but paid $14 for all that. So, but yeah, that's my cart. That's the things that I would buy if somebody gave me $1,000. I really wish somebody would give me $1,000. That would be great. I guess kind of my husband gives me $1,000 every time he gets paid. actually over $1,000, but he doesn't let me buy anything much at Sephora, so I can't spend $1,000 at Sephora. I don't think he would like that too much. But so that's all I got, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what I would buy if somebody gave me $1,000 to spend at Sephora. I have fun coming up with everything and going through and kind of window shopping. That's kind of my thing. I love window shopping. I love shopping just period, but you know, window shopping when I don't have any money to spend or I can't spend any money. If you like the video, just hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload twice a week, but a lot of times I upload more like 3 or 4 times a week. I greatly appreciate you hanging out with me and seeing what I would buy and put in my Sephora cart. And I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.